How you doing? This is Ryan with Anything RC, and today I'm going to show you how to change a shock end on a 5T or a 5B. Here's the part that I'm going to be changing out. It's the top shock end. So I'm going to take the nut that is on the shock off first. Got the lock nut off. I get a small screwdriver and pop off the washer. When the washer comes off, then the shock should come off. Once the shock comes off, I like to take off the little plastic cap, which you put onto the new one. Then the bolt is held in, so all you have to do is get a wrench and put it on the back side and wrench off the nut and keep pressure in here. Keep pressure in here and let the nut come off the back side. Then get the new one, put it in the other one's place, put your nylock nut on the back, now that's locked on. Then you come down here, place your shock back on there, get your washer, put your washer on, then put the nut back on, and that's how you change a top shock mount on a 5T, or this is a 5B. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel like we've earned it.